Hi guys, welcome back. Look, just looks so delicious. I can't wait. But before we get started, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. Aaron, hurry up, cue that music. Hi guys, welcome back to another food review with
The Foodie Squad.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Aaron.
And today we went to the Dog House VA. Yes, the Dog House VA is a food truck here in Richmond, Virginia. They had 3 specials going on today. I have the Hawaiian dog. Aaron has the Asian spicy crisp dog. We're going to split the 4-way Frito chili dog. Now, go ahead and talk to Jesus so real quick so then we can.
Father God, thank you for the food we're about to receive, for the nourishment of our bodies. These and all the blessings we do. Pray, let the church say amen.
Amen. Real quick, before I bite it, I'm going to let you know what's in mine. Now, the Hawaiian dog has Jack Daniel's pork barbecue. It's starting off good already.
Jack.
Pineapple, coleslaw, and red onions. Aaron's Asian spicy crisp dog has chili crisp, Asian avocado slaw, sriracha mayo, and honey mustard. Ooh, that sounds good. This Frito chili dog has gourmet chili, onions, shredded cheese, and Frito crumbles.
All right, let's get into it. Shout out to my man Dave. We just
Yes, Dave.
And all this goodness.
Ooh. Ooh, you see this? Ooh, do y'all see this? Can y'all get a good look at that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. One of y'all wanted that. Which side do I bite first? Let me see.
Already. Oh my goodness.
Everything works so well together.
Good combination of flavors.
Yes. It's barbecue.
It's got a slight little kick to it.
The slaw, the pineapple, the red onion.
Hey, you're the man.
It's a wine dog. It's delicious.
So good, so good, so good. I know what it made me do when I sing.
You don't have to sing. We know
so
it's good.
Make me want to sing.
It's delicious. Y'all have got to get there now and try this. It's right across from the Bowtie Cinema, y'all.
Okay, Boulevard.
Next to the Potbellies. Can't believe that the pineapple and onions work so well together.
Hey, who knew?
Right?
Look at my finger.
This is so good. But look, before we try this last hot dog, get into these shout outs.
Foodie Squad! Mount up!
We're going to have a meeting. You hold that nose way too long. Man, that was good. VIP Foodie Squad. Lady C Queen Foodie. The Miss Yo-Yo Show. As Told by Tina. VA Mukbang Queens. Real Girl Food World. Trip the Boss. The Triplet Family. Nikki Antoinette. Tony Hendricks Green. Platinum Foodie Squad. The Billionaire Mindset. April WYD. Terrence T. Easy. Yes, it's Simone. Holla at Yemi. Just Vlogging Life. The Vegan Kitty, The Masked Vegan, Beauty and Beast Journey. This is our life. Well, this concludes our Foodie Squad members shout out. A link to their channels will be in the description below. Click on those links, subscribe to those channels, watch and like those short videos, and leave a comment. Also in the comments, don't forget to put Foodie sent me. That's right. If you put Foodie sent me in the comments, they will return the love because guess what? That's what Foodie Squad does. And if you want to be a member of the Foodie Squad, go ahead and hit that join button. All of our perk levels will pop up. All you have to do is pick which perk level you want to come in on, and I promise to do my best to help you grow and glow in these YouTube streets. Okay, guys, back to the food review. This last one is this Frito chili dog. To make it fair, got a knife. Make sure I cut evenly.
Gotta watch you.
You don't have to watch me. I'm fair. This is the 4-way Frito chili dog.
I'll get a look at that. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Man, some goodness in that.
Have y'all ever had a Frito chili pie? Have you had one? I knew I was going to like this because I like Frito pies.
Mm.
Y'all got to get to the Dog House.
Dave, my new best friend.
He my cousin. Hey, cousin. This is delicious.
So good, so good, so good. Mm. He did so good with the combination of flavors. That, you know, I always talk about the big burst of flavors. He did real good with the combination of flavors, everything complemented itself. It was just superb.
It was delicious. Everything was delicious.
Superb. Nap time now, y'all.
Look, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video, let anyone and everyone know what the Foodie Squad does when we do food reviews. Today, we ate good at the Dog House. Everything was absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. All of their information will be in the description below. Make sure you get over there and try them out and tell them Foodie sent me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and hanging out with us again. We truly love you and appreciate you, and we can't wait to see you at the next food review. Bye.